Government technologies like government buildings. Complex, consist of many parts, requiring consistent maintenance and upgrades. With limited resources and aging infrastructure, it's a challenge to stay ahead of the curve in this fast-paced digital age. For your IT modernization and systems integration projects, you need the right partner. Direct Technologies Government Solutions Group has fueled digital transformation in public organizations for over 20 years, delivering IT services to state, local, and commercial clients across the nation. As a veteran-owned firm, we're proud to serve those who serve us. We build solutions that support and bolster your immediate IT objectives and long-term strategic goals. Our specialties include cloud and DevOps, advanced analytics, compliance, and more. Our experts work with your existing team, processes, and in-house technologies to create an effective, agile solution. You see, at Direct Technology, we understand that people drive technology, not the other way around. We listen to the voices of your customers and stakeholders to build a firm foundation for a successful outcome. Why does our approach work so well? It's simple. Our unwavering commitment to serving the human side of tech. So, let's figure out how Direct Technology can help you fulfill the promise of technology. Contact us today and let us know how we can help your organization elevate your mission.